friends of the twins. Now this is going to be a living room tour here at my new house, but I thought I would start out the video just sharing with you our snowfall that we got on last weekend. Now it snowed quite heavily for about 3 hours, but sadly none of it stuck, and it was all gone in a very short amount of time. Now I have bought some things since we've been here, but I've also been trying to use, the things that I have. So here I decided to go ahead and make me a floral arrangement for my coffee table, and you'll see in just a little bit I did keep it relatively simple. Now for those of you that don't know, we closed on our new house on December 6th. I had painters come in and paint the entire house in this colonial white color. The original color was more of a taupe color. It was just a little bit too dark for my furniture and kind of for my liking. So we didn't actually get a chance to move in until December 14th. Now that is 11 days before Christmas. So I had to kind of hit the ground running. Now I do have a couple of other projects up my sleeve. I'm going to be changing out the lighting throughout the entire house. There are mostly ceiling fans in every room, and I'd like to, something a little bit more decorative there. And also exterior doors. I'm going to look at changing exterior doors and storm doors, and I'll do that more, towards the springtime when the weather kind of warms up. So I had about a week and a half to make our home livable and to also put up some Christmas decor, because my kids were not having that. And so I'm going to share with you what I did. I kept things pretty simple, but I think my family was pleasantly surprised at what I was able to accomplish in such a short amount of time, and I hope that you'll enjoy seeing my decor. Now I didn't pan the entire room when we get into the living room, because I am trying to, actually the room wasn't ready. I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone, kind of doing Christmas decor and trying to put the room together. And then after you see my Christmas decor, you will see what my living room currently looks like. And now friends, I'm getting ready to stop talking, so hopefully you will enjoy the remainder of the video. I do want you to take notice when you get to the living room reveal, the two high back chairs, the wall art that is over them, those are two pieces that I combined together, and a little bit later in the video I'm going to show you those two. You'll see 3 gold wall flowers and the 2 pieces of wall decor that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I just simply combined those. Friends, as always, we want you to make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.